Imagine a world without the ability to magnify, to peer into the minute, hidden recesses of our universe, from the intricate details of a tiny insect to the far-flung galaxies in our night sky. This reality, in fact, was once our own, until that is the advent of the magnifying glass. Now here's a fascinating fact. The magnifying glass, a tool so simple and yet so transformative, was actually first mentioned in a document dating back to the 9th century. Now, let's voyage back in time to the early days of this remarkable invention. The first recorded mention of a magnifying device comes from a book written by an Arab scholar named Alhazen in the 9th century. He described a convex lens that could be used to magnify text, an invention that would have profound implications for scholars and scientists alike. As we journey through the pages of history, we find ourselves in 13th century Italy, where spectacles were first invented. These early eyeglasses, crafted with convex lenses similar to those described by Alhazen, allowed the wearer to see objects more clearly and in greater detail. The invention of spectacles marked a significant step in the evolution of the magnifying glass, broadening its application from a tool for scholars to an aid for everyday life. We then move forward to the 16th century, a time of great scientific discovery. Here we encounter the Compound Microscope, a device comprising two magnifying glasses that allowed scientists to observe objects at a much higher magnification than ever before. With this invention, the magnifying glass took on a new role as a tool for scientific exploration, opening up a world previously hidden from the human eye. Fast forward to the 19th century, where the magnifying glass found a new home in the hands of detectives, becoming an iconic symbol of investigative work. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's fictional detective Sherlock Holmes famously used a magnifying glass to scrutinize crime scenes, a practice that soon migrated from the pages of fiction to the real world. In the present day, the magnifying glass continues to evolve. Modern versions incorporate LED lights for better illumination and can even be attached to smartphones, enabling us to magnify images digitally. From scientists studying microscopic organisms to jewelers examining precious gems, the magnifying glass remains an indispensable tool in various fields. To recap, the magnifying glass, first mentioned in the 9th century, has undergone a fascinating evolution. Initially a scholarly tool for magnifying text, it later became the basis for spectacles in the 13th century. The 16th century saw its application in scientific research with the invention of the compound microscope. By the 19th century, it found a place in detective work, symbolizing meticulous scrutiny. Today, the magnifying glass continues to be a tool of exploration and discovery, with modern enhancements expanding its uses and capabilities. In essence, the humble magnifying glass, in its journey through history, has magnified not only our vision but our understanding of the world. Its evolution serves as a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, reminding us that even the simplest tools can have a profound impact on our lives.